Hello, good morning students. Today's thought, neural mechanism in the generation of thought, or we discussing here chapter heredity and evolution. In this chapter we discuss about the speciation, or speciation we already explained to you in our last video. Okay, so once again, speciation means formation of new species from the pre-existing ones is called the speciation. For the formation of new species, many factors responsible, in which gene flow, genetic drift, we already explained to you. Now today we discuss about the natural selection. Okay, so how natural selection help in the formation of new species. Okay, so natural selection example we already explained in a previous video, where we explained to you about the 12 group of the beetle. In 12 group of the beetle, suddenly one green beetle is produced. In 12 group of the beetle, suddenly one green beetle is produced, or this green beetle is suitable, adapted. This green beetle is suitable for the adaptation. So this is the natural selection. Okay, so definition is the process by which nature select and consolidate those organisms which are more suitable, adapted and processed for the favorable variation. Okay, so this is the natural selection. And geographical isolation. Geographical isolation means the geographical isolation is caused by the mountains or rivers. Okay, mountains and river in the same species. Okay, if group of a group of the species live, suppose that place, this population of the same species live that places, and this is this population is disturbed by the mountains or rivers, then the group of the species divided into two parts, one side this part and one side this part, and both geographical conditions are different, or due to the different geographical conditions, changes in the organism will be also changes. Due to this changing, these species are same before the separation of geographical condition, but after the separation of geographical condition, these species are more different to each other and they cannot reproduce to each other. These species cannot reproduce to each other. So this is the geographical isolation. Okay, so geographical isolation is caused by the mountains, ranges, rivers, etc. Geographical isolation lead to the reproductive isolation, means same species cannot reproduce. Okay, it means same species cannot reproduce due to which there no flow of gene, जिसकी do not flow the gene between the separated group of the population. Okay, now we discuss the next topic, which is evidence of the evolution. So first we discuss about the homologous organ. Homologous organ means those organs which are structurally same but functions are different, that organs are called the homologous organ. Okay, means those organs which are structurally same but functions are different are called the homologous organ. Okay, for example here, 4 limbs means hand, 4 limbs of the human beings and 4 limbs of the horse. Okay, 4 limbs of the human beings and 4 limbs of the horse, both structures are same, but functions are different. Human beings use their 4 limbs for capturing the things, but horse use their 4 limbs for running the very fast. Okay, thank you.